To create a delivery challan, following data is mandatory. A complete and accurate part master must be maintained, with all parts uniquely identified and properly classified. Dedicated outside store locations must be defined and operational. Valid bill of material must be in place, linking all components to the finish or semi-finished goods. By fulfilling these criteria, we ensure compliance, accuracy, and efficiency in every delivery challan generated. Let's create one. Ready to generate a delivery challan? Follow these steps. Start by clicking the Add button. Choose your subcontractor from the list. Pick the store location. If there's only one, the system will automatically update it for you. If the PO system is disabled, click Add line. Double-click on the part cell and choose your desired finished or semi-finished part. The system will fill in all the relevant details and calculate the minimum quantity you can send for processing. Type in your desired quantity. Remember, it must be less than or equal to the minimum quantity. The system will then calculate the inventory rate and amount for you. Switch to the Outgoing Parts tab. Here, you'll see all the child components from the BOM, along with their current stock, rate, and validity. If there's a byproduct, the byproduct cell will set. Once everything looks perfect, click Save. If all validations pass, the system will generate your delivery challan. And that's it. Generating a delivery challan has never been this joyful. The system offers you multiple ways to view your challan status, making it super convenient and flexible for you. 1. Desktop view. You can easily check the status right from your desktop. It's quick, clear, and always at your fingertips. 2. Reports. Prefer a detailed overview? No problem. You can access the same information through comprehensive reports. It's like having a snapshot of everything you need, ready whenever you are. The system offers you multiple ways to view your stock at Subcontractor, making it super convenient and flexible for you. 1. Desktop view. You can easily check the stock status right from Subcontractor desktop details. It's quick, clear, and always at your fingertips. 2. Reports. Prefer a detailed overview? No problem. You can access the same information through comprehensive reports. It's like having a snapshot of everything you need, ready whenever you are. Whether you're a fan of the desktop view or love diving into reports, the system has got you covered. Stay informed, stay in control. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.